Recording now. Yes. So, yes, Zara, what was the question?
Is this June's question paper?
June question paper. Yes, May 2008
Okay,
June.
sir.
So,
Yes, sir.
listen, everyone. Um, our this session is or currently I'm recording this session, so we'll be posting this class on Facebook. Who is there? Ishraq and Zarif Kamal. Acha. Okay. Fine. So I guess everyone can see this question paper on their screen. So what I
Yes.
was saying that the money, this is our bank statement, statement of account, and this is our cash book. The thing is that I have already explained. In my cash book, in my cash book, it will show a debit balance because the money is with me. But in the bank statement, it is showing a credit balance. Why? Why is that? Thing is,
Because
since
it's a liability for the bank.
yeah, since I have my money with the bank, that's why for from the bank's point of view, it
It's
is
a
a
liability.
liability. And this who is preparing this statement of account? Bank, not me, not the
Bank.
business, because it's coming from the bank. The statement of account shows the history of a month, the transactions, the money came in and out, went out of my account. So I think it's pretty much clear now about the this thing, 8,000, na? Acha.
Hmm.
So this is our bank cash book. You are, acha, what is happening here? Hey, you are required to update cash book with the relevant items from the bank statement and bring down the balance at the end of the month. I know you will have a lot of questions coming on around in your mind, but please be patient and we will solve this. Okay, let's try to solve this. Balance BF credit. Do you have the 8,000? Acha.
Yes.
One more clue let me give you. We will always compare the credit side of the bank statement against the debit side of the
Cash book.
exactly and vice versa. The debit side of the bank statement compare with the
With the credit side of the cash book.
cash book. Okay. Acha. So receipts. Here receipts. We will compare the receipts, bank statements, receipts amount with the debit side, right, of the cash book. Okay. All the receipts means money came into your account. Receipts means money
Came
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 into
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 our
your
my
account.
Into our account.
so 8th April cash paid in 8. Okay. Acha.
Sir,
So, sir, that
actually
means
spoke.
Yes. What?
so, sir, payment means we gave out money.
We
আমাদের
paid.
account
Yes.
থেকে টাকা
Money went
চলে
out
গেছে।
of our account. Okay.
আর
Yes.
receipts money came into our account. আচ্ছা।
Acha. Another thing. Let me tell you. Take your calculator, please. Everyone, please take your calculator. Uh, the
Yes, sir.
the format which is given in over here, this is called the running balance method. This is an American system, American policy of ledger. Remember, once I told you there is two ways you can do an account. One
Yes.
account is T shape. Another one is running balance method. You run and balance. You run and balance. Got it?
Hmm.
So
Yes.
this is a running balance method. Take a calculator. Uh,
Hmm.
since you have a credit balance, since your statement is showing a credit balance, it means you have 8,000 pound in your bank, right?
Hmm.
You paid you paid 1,200 pound. You paid 1,200 pound. So your account will increase or decrease?
Decrease.
Decrease. So
Decrease.
8,000 minus 1,200, how much?
6,800.
And still you have balance in your bank account, right?
Yes.
Yes.
That's why credit. Okay.
Hmm. Uh-huh.
ও তার
Well,
মানে আমরা একটা করব, ওটা শেষ করব, আবার
Tanzim,
পরেরটাতে যাব, আবার পরেরটাতে যাব।
Tanzim, we are
Like that?
recording this session. It will be posted on Facebook. So please don't
Okay.
shout.
Okay. Sir, I don't think my voice will be recorded.
Why not? Everyone's voice is recorded.
I think only the host's voice will
Can
be
you
recorded.
please
I
keep?
don't know.
Acha. So 8,000. At first we had a balance of 8,000. Oh my God, that's my daughter. Acha. Acha, 8,000 credit balance, and then we have paid 1,200. So 8,000 minus 1,200, which is 6,800.
6,800.
Who is not clear about this amount? We have paid money out of our bank account and still we have money in our bank. That's why credit balance. Now we have received an amount. Can you still see this screen?
Yes.
Okay. So we have money cash paid in on 8th April. We have money came into our account, and since now our account balance will increase, right?
Mm-hmm.
That's why 6,800 plus 800 and 7,600 credit.
7,600.
I think it's pretty much clear now.
Mm.
Next 12th April
Sir.
money. Yes. Nafisa.
Easier than the T-shape.
What?
True.
Yeah, easier than T account.
Much easier.
Acha.
Less
Is Nafisa here?
expensive.
Nafisa, are you listening? Acha, fine. I can do this. I will post this on Facebook. On Principal Ma'am had made a group, AG School. I think I will post on that group. So if you can get access to that
I don't
video.
think we are
Sir
adding.
Mehdi.
Acha.
He
Yes,
raised
sir.
up his hand.
I will try it. I'll try to make sure that you guys get access to it. Acha. So 1300, 7,600 on 12th April, we again made a payment, and that was 1,300 pound. So 7,600 minus 1,300, and that's why 6,300. Clear?
Okay.
Clear.
Clear.
It's so
Next,
easy, sir.
on 14th April, we have received another 550 payment, and that was added with this. So these are vice versa, and at the end of the month, we have again 8,000 credit balance. I think you know this. You all know how we got this. Now here, let's go to the cash book. Can you see the cash book over here? Zara?
Yes.
Is Zara
Yes, sir.
listening? Acha.
Yes, sir. I opened it in my laptop.
Good.
That
You were required to update with relevant. Acha. So let's check what are the amounts that we have in cash book. And acha, we know about this cash book, right? Na? On the debit side, we will record all the receipts, and on the credit side, we will record all the payments.
Payments.
And remember, this is only the bank column. This is only the bank column, right? This is only the bank column of the cash book we are talking about, not the cash column, because we have cash in our hand, right? Na? But there is a problem when there is a bank account, business bank account. I mean, we have to reconcile it. Fine. Balance be the 8,000. Do we have it on credit side? Yes, 8,000.
Yes,
We
we do.
have it. Remember, we will compare the receipt sides, all the receipt sides against the debit side.
Yes.
So April 17th, April 7, 800. April
Yes.
April
8.
7, 800. Acha. Okay.
Oh.
For example,
sir, got it.
timing difference.
Timing
difference.
difference.
Timing difference. For example, you received the check from one of your one of your customer at around 4 p.m. in the evening. So it was not possible for you to go to the bank and cash it. You went on the next day. Is there a problem? There is no problem. There is no problem. A check has 6 months validity. You can go after 3 months. You can go after 5 months, 29 days, but not after 6 months.
Wow.
You understand? If I give you a check on today's date, if I give you a check on today's date, which is 30th April. April is gone. May, June, July, August, September, October. You have October 30th last day to cash this check.
So like November 1st আমরা করতে
হবে
পারবো।
না,
November 1st
হবে না।
Date over হয়ে যাবে। Expired হয়ে যাবে।
আজকে 30?
Yeah,
আজকে 30।
April শেষ।
So our check has 6 months validity. So that's why there is a little bit time in it. That's why I wanted I want like we all I wanted like we can if we discuss this question paper, it will be easier rather than just going on just throwing you the theories. Okay, delete হচ্ছে না কেন? Okay, fine. Sorry guys. Can you listen? Yes, you can listen.
Yes.
On 13th April, oh wait. On 2nd April,
Oh,
F. Bashir paid us.
Oh, oh.
We paid F. Bashir 1200. তাই না? Acha.
Payment.
One important thing is try to also give an importance to this invoice number, check number. There are serial numbers on the check. Okay. Acha. Now we will 1200 F. Bashir 10 123. Payment site 1200. What is the
10,
number of the check? 10 123.
Oh, okay.
10 123. Yes, this is our supplier. This is our supplier. And look, one thing, I have paid a check to F. Bashir on 2nd April, right? And I have recorded it. And I have recorded it on my cash book 2nd April because I paid F. Bashir on 2nd April. But F. Bashir went to the bank on 6th April. Did you understand the timing difference?
Yes.
It might happen. He may not have. He didn't go to the bank on 3rd, 4th, 5th. He went to bank on 6th. It's his wish. Okay. But how do we know? How do we know for sure that this is because look, there is nowhere written F. Bashir. But how I have identified that this is F. Bashir?
The bank
AJ number.
serial number.
Serial number.
Yes.
Check a serial number. There is always you can check your parents' checkbook. That there is a serial number. So you will match,
Absolutely.
compare this check serial number against this one. There is always a reason for everything. Okay. So
Sir, H Joshi ওটা না উপরে নাই like 10 125 এরটা না উপরে নাই.
April 15. Wait. Acha, one by one. Let me count one by one. Now let's go to 7th April. এই যে receipt side. Acha. Now you guys Sam and এই যে কি বলে Tanzim, Azara, you guys continue and let me ask the other students. ওরা কোথায় আছে? How will I participate? Acha. Who is here? Amelia, Rafi, Eric. Are you listening? Are you listening to me?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
I'm
sir.
listening.
Did you understand so far what we have discussed? Farhan, Ishraq, Mritika, Noboni is
Yes,
here.
sir.
Noboni, how are you?
Yes, sir.
Noboni,
I'm good.
okay. How is your condition now? Did you completely recover?
I still have
Okay.
a bit of
Try.
pain,
Okay.
but better.
Hopefully you will recover. Fine. Samantha, Tasnuva.
Yes.
Who is not here? Almost everyone is here. I
Afan.
guess. Afan to ghost. Whatever. Acha. So we are recording this session. Okay. We're recording this session.
Okay,
We
sir.
will post it on Facebook. So who didn't understand anything at all? Please tell me now. Tasnuva, Rafi, Noboni.
Yes, sir.
Who didn't
Yes,
understand?
sir.
Did you understand?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Do you want me to explain again?
It's better.
Acha. There are some rules. If you understand the rules, then it will be easier for you. First thing, this is a bank statement. Who is doing this annotation? Please refrain from doing it.
যেই করলে ক্লিয়ার দাও, ডিলিট দাও।
Fine. So guys, everyone please listen to me. Thing is, Actually, we are doing this. Don't make this sound. We're doing. Yeah. We have a statement, bank statement, and we also have a cash book. This is our bank statement. This is the payments, all the payments that I have made from my account in the month of April only. This is the month of April, the transactions only showing for the month of April. And this is the payment I have made from my bank account. And this is all the receipts that I have uh,
Receipt.
received in my bank account. This format might look a little bit different for you, but let's as I have explained, it is easier. Just listen to me, everyone. Everyone, are you listening?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes,
Mritika,
sir.
Noboni, Eric, then AJ, Rafi, please listen. Balance BF means BD 8,000 credit. You might be wondering why it's credit. Why it's credit? Because you have your money in the bank, with the bank. So bank is taking responsibility to look after your money, right?
Yes.
Who is preparing this statement? You or the bank?
Bank.
The bank.
Bank. So whatever bank will provide you, they will provide it. They will prepare it from bank's point of view, not from your point of view. So when your money is with the bank, is it bank's money or your money? It's
My
your
money.
money. It's your money. But who is looking after it? Bank. So it's bank's asset or liability?
Liability.
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 That's why. So from the liabilities point of view, it's 8,000 credit. Understood, everyone?
Yes.
Yes.
Jeta,
Yes.
the amount that is showing 8,000 credit, look, the similar amount will show 8,000 debit because it's your
Because
cash book.
it's my assets.
It's your cash book. You are maintaining the cash book. Who maintains the cash book?
Yes.
Business. Right now? So
Yes.
you have this money in your bank. That's why you know that it is an asset. And you are
Yes.
maintaining this cash book, but the bank statement is maintained by bank. That's why same thing, same thing, but the documents are prepared by two or different people. Okay, that's why it will show different point of view. That's why it's a credit balance from the bank's point of view, but actually you have money in your bank account. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Clear.
Okay, look, just bear with me, you will understand everything. Payment you have made a payment 1,200 pounds. So when you make a payment, will your bank balance increase or decrease?
Decrease. It will decrease.
It will decrease because so 8,000 minus 1,200, still you have money in your bank and
6,800.
credit balance. Understood?
Yes.
Yes.
Now you have received 800 pounds in your account. So will your bank balance increase or decrease?
Increase. It will
That's why
increase. Of
that's
course.
why 7,600. If you have a calculator, please do the computation quickly. Let me give you a tip here. For credit balance, for the time being, right, minus 8,000. Fine. No, not minus, positive 8,000. Forget it. Positive 8,000. 8,000. Thing is, if you have money in your bank account, it will always show debit balance or credit balance. Ishraq.
What?
If you have
Yes,
money in
sir.
your bank account, will it show a debit balance or credit balance?
Money in my bank account. It will show a credit balance.
In the statement, good. In your bank statement, good. And when you make payment from your bank account, your balance will decrease. That's why subtract it.
Debit.
Now I think it's clear like water. It's a crystal clear concept.
Yes.
একদম crystal clear,
Are
sir.
we are
Yes.
running out of
Crystal
time?
as
Sir,
water.
question.
Yes, question.
Time-এর জন্য
Direct
crystal
debit
clear
কি?
না।
Eh?
Direct debit.
Not now. Let
Not
me
now.
explain.
Not now,
Let me
Sayan.
explain this basic thing first. Acha. So please take your calculator. We have 8,000 balance in our bank, and we have made a payment 1,200. That's why 8,000 minus 1,200 equals to 6,800. Clear?
Yes.
And
Yes.
on 8th April, we have received 800 pound. That's why 6,800 minus 800, which is equals to this amount. And we all have we have made a payment 1,300. So 7,600 minus
1300.
Minus 1300.
1,300 equals to 6,300. And that's how we have come across this balance. If you plus and minus it, okay. We don't have much time to look at it now. Is it clear about the bank statement thing?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
This method is called running balance method. This policy is followed by Americans. This is American style. The one we have learned, the T account, is called British example, British way. So remember, we will always compare the receipt side with the debit side. What? Receipt sides of the bank statement against the debit side of the cash book. Understood? Hello?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
On the first transaction we have made is on 2nd April. F. Bashir. Business paid F. Bashir a check of 1,200. And remember, this is only the bank column of the cash book. This is only the bank column of the cash book, because cash column, we don't need to worry about the cash column. We know the cash column. Okay. But the problem arises always with the bank column of the cash book against the bank statement. So business made a first payment transactions. Business made a first transaction on 2nd April, that is 1,200. It paid a check to F. Bashir, and the check number is 10123. Remember, we will compare the credit side against the repayment side.
Debit.
Do you see any F. Bashir over here?
No.
No. But you have a clue.
No, sir.
But you have a clue.
Number.
Look at this check number, 10123.
Check number.
Okay, now listen to me carefully. The business paid F. Bashir on 2nd April. When?
2nd April.
Business paid a check to F. Bashir on 2nd April, and the check number is 10123. This is the check number. Did you understand now? The name of the person may not be given, but the check number will be given. Serial check number. Okay, every check has a serial number. And F. Bashir went to the bank on 6th April. Did you understand the drill now?
Yes.
Yes.
Look at the payment. Payment is okay, 1,200. Okay. Now, why on 6th April? Why the F. Bashir didn't go to the bank on 2nd April? Now, guys, listen. If I give you a homework today, when will you submit? Some of you will submit it today, and some of you will submit it tomorrow, and some of you will never submit. Taina? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Yes.
Sir?
Number one. All everyone, please put it. Remember that every check has a validity of 6 months. If suppose business paid F. Bashir on 2nd April, F. Bashir will have the validity for that check to cash as April, May, June, July, August, September. Till
For 6 months.
for 6 months. Till the 1st of September, F. Bashir can go to the bank and cash it at any time. Okay, so it doesn't matter. So guys, what can we deduce? Our class will end within 5 minutes. What can we deduce from this thing is that there is a timing. There might be a timing. Like, who is doing
Okay.
that? Who is doing it?
K, are.
I doubt
You
me.
may continue.
Continue, sir.
Yeah, but I cannot find the video. Okay, I got it now.
আমার কান ব্যথা করতেছে
বুঝেন আমার কান আচ্ছা fine, forget it. So this is the can you guys do it, try it at home?
We can try.
Let me tell you the year, May 2008, number 4. May 2008, number 4. Real Kitchen, name of the question is Real Kitchen Suppliers.
Sir,
And
you can send us the link.
Acha, can you guys give me your email address? I can email you this worksheet.
Yeah,
Okay, sir.
sure.
No
On
problem.
Viber.
Viber আছে ঠিক আছে
On Viber.
Okay.
Viber na. You have my
তো
email ID, right?
Yes.
Yes, sir. একটা আছে
Send an email.
আপনার অনেক ওয়ার্কশিট দিয়েছিলেন
Send an email from your account, and I will
Okay.
reply.
Sir,
Okay.
we have a Google Classroom.
yeah we can
I find
make
it
a
little.
Google
I
class
find it a little bit complicated.
স্যার অভ্যাস হয়ে যাবে ইটস ভেরি হেল্পফুল আপনি হচ্ছে পরে করব
Yeah.
ইয়েস স্যার
কারণ ওখানে কাজ দিলে দুই জায়গায় নোটিফিকেশন আসে, একটা গুগল ক্লাসরুম আর একটা জিমেল।
ইয়েস একদম
স্যার এর জন্য সব
একটা দিলে একদম
Okay. How shall I upload these documents in Google Classroom?
ওখানে ওই যে ওই ফাইলের অপশন আছে
It's
Attach
kind of
file or-
complicated, but okay.
It's not complicated.
it is absolutely not
It's complicated.
It is not dude
it is
find it
not
complicated.
complicated it
Less
is
than
easy
4 minutes. Quiet. We have less than 4 minutes. Look, what you need to find out is all the payments here match. Does all the payments payment section and the credit side matches? Like we have 1200. Yeah, we have 1200. April 8. April 8. What is the name of the M Tyler? 10124. Yeah, we have 10124.
124
1300. Yes, we have this. H Joshi 10125. 10125. No. So
I
we
think
have
add করলে হয়
we have one of the suppliers did not go to the bank on April, in the month of April. I repeat, H Joshi didn't go to the bank in the month of April, and he didn't cash it. That's why H Joshi's amount is not revealed here. Now let's take the debit side. 800. Do we, sales banks 800? Do we have? Yes, we have 800. We have received a check on 7th April from our debtor, and we went to the bank on 8th April. Understood?
yes
yes yes
We received a check on 13th April, 550, and we went to the bank on
We 14.
14th April
14th April. Okay. We received a check from on April 20, 650. April 20, 650. Yes, we have 650.
21.
Yes. We received another check from 750 April 30. Do we have 750? No, we don't have 750.
750
So we received a check, but we didn't go to the bank because look, it was at the end of the month. Maybe sometimes,
we went to in May
listen, sometimes what happens, bank also takes some time to update the check. Maybe it happens, it may happen once or twice that you went to the bank, you have cashed it on April 3rd, but
আপডেট হয় নাই
update hoy nahi. It updated April in the month of May. In the month of May, it has updated. So it doesn't matter. What matters is we have to reconcile it. So you have to update this cash book. The items which are not in the cash book, listen to me, items which are not in the cash book but in the bank statement, you have to bring it here. What? Such as bank charges and dishonored check. These bank charges, these things are supposed to be related with the bank account. So you have to bring it here on the credit side. Bank charges, okay?
Yes.
Okay, guys, we have a good session. Thank you.
Okay,
And try what? I will give you this worksheet.
oh
Send
sir
me
I
an
don't have
email.
your I don't have your email
Russell Paul 84 RUSSELPAUL 84 @gmail. No space.
Okay, tata.
Sir, একটু like Viber লিখে দিবেন